In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Xray Test Management in Jira. To get started, open your Jira dashboard. From the left-hand side, click on Apps, and then choose Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace area, where you can browse and install apps that extend Jira's functionality. Once that page opens, go to the search bar and type in Xray Test Management for Jira. Make sure you select the official Xray app from the search results so you are installing the correct tool. When you open the app page, click Try It Free to begin the installation process. At this point, Jira will ask you to select an edition. You will usually see options such as Standard or Advanced. Choose the edition that best fits your team's testing needs. Then click Review. If you are not sure which one to choose, you can start with the option that aligns most closely with your current workflow and evaluate it during the trial period. After reviewing your selection, click Start Free Trial. Jira will then begin installing Xray. Give it a moment to complete, since the installation may take a little time depending on your environment. It's a good idea to wait until the process finishes fully before moving on, so all features become available correctly. Once Xray has been installed, the next part is very important. You need to configure it so the testing issue types appear in the projects where your team will actually use them. Without this configuration step, the app may be installed, but the testing items you need may not yet show up in your project. To do that, open the Apps area again and click the Xray dropdown. From there, select Configure a Project. You will then see a drop-down menu where you can choose the project you want to enable for Xray. Select your desired project from the list and then click Create. This action automatically adds the key testing components to your project's issue scheme. These include test, precondition, test set, test plan, and test execution. These issue types are what allow you to organize, manage, and track your testing work directly inside Jira. After that, your project is ready for Xray-based test management. And you can begin working with those testing issue types as part of your regular Jira workflow. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.